Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check sent friend requests on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Checking your sent friend requests on Facebook is pretty easy and it can be done with your mobile app. There are several reasons why you might want to check your sent friend requests on Facebook. Like to know whether the person accepted or not. And checking your sent requests allows you to easily recall and cancel the request before they see it. When you check your sent friend requests on Facebook, you'll see a list of everyone you've sent a friend request to who hasn't yet accepted or declined. This list includes their profile picture, name, and the date you sent the request. To see sent friend requests on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. After opening, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on that to open the menu. If you are using iPhone, it is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, within the menu, scroll down until you see Friends and just tap on it. Next, you'll see another menu dedicated to friend-related actions. From here, tap on See All from the right side of friend requests. At the top right of the screen there is three dots menu, tap on it. A pop-up menu appears, just tap on View Sent Requests to view the friend request that you have sent before. Here, you'll now see a list of all the friend requests you've sent that haven't been accepted yet. From here, you can cancel a friend request by tapping on the Cancel button below the person's name. And you can also view their profile by tapping on their name or profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.